We're diving into data. In their annual security survey, Forrester Research asked 3,000 respondents if they've suffered a security breach in the last 12 months. More than 68% said yes. Now, mathematically, that figure isn't surprising, at least to me. 68% is the common one standard deviation on a classic bell curve. Bell curves aside, David, did that statistic surprise you?
Not really. Data security is a tough thing to do and tough to do well. And if you think about it, companies have been gathering data for so long. They have so much data. Maybe they don't even know what they have or what kind of data that they have. Of course, there are going to be attacks. Of course, there are going to be losses of that data.
And I think, too, when you think about a data breach, could be anything from an insider attack or even an inadvertent insider leak or a database misconfiguration or, someone left the good old floppy drive on the subway.
Floppy drive, Pam?
Well, yes.
Yeah,
USB,
you're right.
floppy drive, all the ways that we store data, even, the box of paperwork that was left in the car and the car got stolen. So, it could be. Help you in the face of a security breach. This is the Security Intelligence Podcast, where we discuss cybersecurity, industry analysis, tips, and success stories. I'm Pam Cobb.
And I'm David Moulton.